Hi and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've just got a mini announcement, let you know, of a new sort of business venture that has started in relation to my spare storage and my channel, in the fact that I have opened a shop. So here is the sort of goodies that you can purchase from the shop, and a lot of this is all based around my spare storage. So anybody that's watched my kitting ups, dekittings videos may already know about this spare storage system that I created a few years ago, that is working absolutely perfect for me and has been for a while. It involves a photo box, it involves some foam board as dividers, and then it involves some nice pretty labels on my little index cards that divide up my diamonds that are then stored in baggies. Megan created these stickers, my daughter, and we have been doing sort of these stickers available for a little bit, but we have now launched officially as a shop. And there's a few different things that are available for people if they want them. So we do a pack. This is part of it, but we do a pack that involves the cards that I use, where you can stick the labels on in whichever colour you want. We are selling the cards pre-cut. Now these are done by ourselves, so they can sometimes have a day or two delay on dispatch depending on how popular they've been. The website actually went live about a week ago, and we've been kept very busy in that week, even though we haven't done a big official announcement yet. So this is the DMC cards that are used for the dividers, which is just like this one. You get 480, which is enough for every DMC number. It's enough for your special diamonds. It's also enough for the dividers for 100s, 200s, etc. It does come on linen cardstock, which I'm not sure if the camera is going to pick it up, but it has got a little bit of a texture there, just, you know, quality, and it will fit our DMC numbers on them perfectly, and it will fit 3 rows in a photo box. Now, if this is something that you want to do yourself, all the measurements are on our website, 4kids@147.com. I do have videos and instructions on how you can make this spare storage yourself. I even have links to the products that I've used as well. But some people do prefer, you know, to have somebody else do the work, which is perfectly fine. So you would get 480 of these cards, which is plenty for what you need. And that's one of the items that we have. We do also have some of the baggy inserts. So these are just on 100 GSM paper. Again, it's just a matter of their cut to size. So this holds 100. We do a listing for 500 of them. And what I've used them for is they go inside the baggies just to help them stand up. So if there's not many diamonds in there, it helps them to stand upright in your diamond painting box. So there's those. Then we have the DMC stickers. Let me move these out of the way because they're more new. They're more new to the shop. We have the DMC stickers in a couple of different variants. So one of the variants is on a full sticker sheet, so you need to cut these out yourself. Okay, but you get 9 sheets. They have all the DMC numbers, some of the DMC numbers are discontinued from DMC, but they are still used in diamond painting. So you get all the DMC numbers used in diamond painting, and then you also get the colours. So if you want to use this for your special diamonds, that's what I use this for. So you can section up your purple, black, yellow, white. And then we also have just a grouping, your 100s, 200s, 300s, 400s. That could potentially be helpful if you've not got that many colours yet, just to get, you know, a little base organisation in your spare diamonds. Or you may use it for another project. So I use these for my Heaven and Earth designs because I have those diamonds out of my spares separated, but I don't need to number them individually. So I just have them grouped so that I can find them. And then of course you get some blanks. So that is one set. These are cheaper because you do need to cut them yourself. But they come in a variety of colours. So we have them in the green, we have them in the black and white, we have them in blue, we have them in turquoise, and we have them in purple. We do hope to bring more colours out soon. However, we do need to get our printer to print them as a true colour. Red and pink seem to be giving us a little bit of hassle on the laser printer at the moment. It's not liking the shading. So once we've got that down so that we're happy, we will then have those available as well. And then the next lot that we have are pre-cut. So the difference is with these is that they are already made into stickers. So you just peel them off and stick them onto your cards. So I have a sheet here that we weren't too happy with the way it printed at the bottom, so it doesn't get included. But basically you just peel those off, and then in regards to your card, you just peel those. They're a little bit shorter than the ones you cut yourself, but they fit on the card perfect, and it gives a little bit of scope. You can always chop some sides off if you maybe store them differently, but that is our pre-cut range. At the moment they're available in 4 colours, though we will probably soon be bringing in the blue as well, but at the moment it's turquoise, purple, green and the black and white as standard. So all those are available to purchase if you wish. In addition, we've brought a few new things in. So you may have seen this on a previous video, but we have redone the canvas label stickers. So I use one of these on my canvas and one of these on my diamonds so that I can store them separately. And it includes the name of the canvas and the painting, whatever name you give it. So the one that makes sense to you, the size, the shop, and whether it's round, square or special. And I fill in 2 of these, put one on the canvas, one on the diamonds and put them away. And when I need to find them, very easy to find them. So it comes with 24 labels, which is enough for 12 paintings and diamonds for you to be able to put those away. And they are sold by the sheet. So they're sold as single sheets so people can get the amount that suits them and their diamond paintings. These, we have done canvas organisation stickers before. They were very basic. They are available on the site as a free download, the basic ones, but we now sell the sort of prettied ones. The ones that are a little bit prettier. And then the other thing that we have brought in is these. So these sheets have 216 stickers per sheet, and they have a little diamond on, and they are either a small little round sticker, if you can see that, if it will focus. So it's a small little round sticker, or let me get the other sheet, it's a small square sticker. Or a small square sticker. So these are 13mm across, and you get 216 of these per sheet. So we sell these as single sticker sheets, again, that are in effect the plain ones. Basically they have the diamonds on there and nothing else. But the one I'm the most excited about, and the one I yet need to do with my storage, is the ones with the DMC numbers. So in these you get 3 pages. So it's a pack of 3, and it has every DMC number used in diamond painting. So it includes those original discontinued ones. And then you do get quite a few blanks for using for your own projects. And the idea of this is, if I can get hold of one that's got 2 colours. So in my spare storage at the moment, I have a round sticker that tells me the number for my round diamonds, and I have a rectangle sticker that tells me my number for my square diamonds. What I'm going to do to update it is I am going to use the DMC numbers in round for my round diamonds, and I'm going to use the DMC numbers on a square sticker for my square diamonds, because it looks pretty. Purely, simply because it looks pretty. And that's the reason that I was so excited about these, because I love my spare storage to look pretty, especially when I am dekitting often. Now some people do put, you know, their squares in different places to their round. You do get extra stickers in each one, so in effect I think we only use about 2 rows of the sheet for the 3rd one, so you've got quite a lot of spares in case you do want to write any extra DMC numbers. Maybe you've got more than one bag of something. But this is a good sort of base start, and it looks nice. Look, little DMC numbers with little diamonds behind them. So yeah, I'm happy to announce that the shop is open. We do ship internationally. Postage and packing is at cost. So in fact we've taken a bit of a hit when it comes to bigger orders that are heavier in weight, in the fact that there is no packing cost in that. You purely pay what we pay to Royal Mail for shipping. But we have lots of items in there. Love to know of anything else that you maybe would like to see. Stickers wise, at the moment photo boxes aren't practical to ship due to, you know, the size of them really, and the safety of packing them, but that is something that potentially we could look into. However, photo boxes are available in most countries to purchase. It's just a matter of finding which company in your country does them. But once you've got them, we've got all the tools that you need to make it pretty, make it enjoyable, putting your spare diamonds away, having somewhere safe and compact. And that's the key of this storage, is it's compact, and you can expand it, so you can always add another box and move stuff over. Apart from redoing your foam dividers, you won't need to redo your dividers at all. The DMC numbers will stay the same, you just scoot them across a little bit. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed these products. We do have a couple of free downloads, as I mentioned before, with the canvas stickers. So we have the old design of canvas stickers as a free download, and we do have these DMC in black as a free download if you do want to do it yourself. If you want any of the colours or the pre-cut or any of these, they are all available on the website. But that is my announcement for today. I now have a job to make sure that I put my DMC numbers and make my little box here look very pretty and diamondy, and yeah, that will be my job over the next week or so, just to give it a little mini revamp to make me smile every time I open the box again. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.